In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Start menu search not working. If your Start menu won't find apps, files, or settings, the quickest and safest fix is to refresh two core components: the Windows interface itself and the Windows search process. This doesn't uninstall anything or change your settings. It simply restarts the parts of Windows that power the Start menu and the search box. Begin by opening Task Manager using the keyboard shortcut Control, Shift, and Escape pressed together. Task Manager is the built-in tool that shows what's running on your PC and lets you manage those processes. Once it's open, you'll see a list of apps and background processes currently active. Next, scroll down the list until you find Windows Explorer. This is the process that controls your desktop, taskbar, and file browsing. Even though you might know it as File Explorer when you open folders, in the process list it appears as Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Your screen might flicker, the taskbar may briefly disappear and reappear, and any open File Explorer windows will refresh. That's normal. Don't worry, your other apps should remain open and you won't lose unsaved work inside them. This restart simply reloads the shell, which often clears up interface glitches that can affect the Start menu. With Windows Explorer refreshed, stay in Task Manager and look for Windows Search. Depending on your system, it may appear as Windows Search or simply Search under Background Processes. This process manages the indexing and live search results you see when you type into the Start menu. Right-click Windows Search and choose Restart. When you do this, Windows will momentarily stop and then relaunch the search service. It may take a few seconds for it to fully spin back up. During that brief period, you might notice a small spike in activity as the service reinitializes. That's expected. After both restarts, the Start menu search should be responsive again. You'll typically notice that results begin appearing quickly and the search box no longer freezes or lags. This method works well because it targets exactly where the issue usually lives, either a stuck shell process or a temporarily unresponsive search service, without requiring a full system reboot. If the problem was a one-off glitch, you're all set. If it happens occasionally, this same quick refresh is safe to repeat. And if the issue persists regularly, it might point to a deeper configuration or indexing problem. But for most people, restarting Windows Explorer and Windows Search resolves the Start menu search not working in just a minute or two.